you in your twisted ways.
She's in the back.
Yes, you are, because you were willing to work with us yesterday.
Fool me once, shame on you.
Okay, when we were in Atlanta, why didn't you use your compulsion on me?
Bell.
Who's to say I didn't?
You didn't.
Down there?
Video.
I thought I told you to leave.
Video.
I considered it.
Okay, sweet.
I thought screw you.
I'll take what you took.
Hey, Hero. I'm going down there to get my mother.
What are we doing, Belle?
God, I can't believe I'm going to do this.
Belle.
I'm totally going to ruin this moment, but I have to tell you, Elena recently found out she was adopted, and she's been looking for her birth mother, whose name is Isabel.
Isabel? Like my wife? Isabel never had a baby.
Are you sure? Not before you were together?
No way.
So I'm getting ready for the day, and I keep pinching the crap out of my eye vicinity skin. And it hurts, and I keep doing it over and over, and I don't understand how I'm not learning to look at the eyelash curler. It doesn't have the little white thing on it. Like, there's the white thing, here's the eyelash curler with no little white thing on it. So I need to get a little white thing on it. I have decided to do a quick outfit of the day, and I've realized that although I just wiped my mirrors in the last, week, they're very dirty. Anyways, quick outfit of the-day. My hair is such a mess all the time. Anyways, wearing necklace, my ring, guest watch, bracelet. Brown one, stud one is from Target. The pink one, it says my name, and it is from Islands of Adventure. I have my silver bracelet Preston had bought me. I have this top from PacSun, maybe? Black cami from Wet Seal. They're like my favorite ones. And then just some plain shorts, Paris blue shorts. And that is my quick outfit of the day. I don't really know why I do them, but people ask for them, and I don't really know why, but whatever.